Hello, Wonders of London fans, supporters, anybody who might be checking out our page for the first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy exploring London with us. I'm Rob, and I am just on St. James's Street, just below Mayfair. If I were to walk on up there, it'd take us to Mayfair, and there'd be lots of fancy cocktail bars and, of course, lots of nice cars. But here, just down this way, is St. James's Palace. I just had a look at the courtyards, and there's some beautiful shops around here. Got some nice hat shops. Got some sort of Sherlock Holmes style hat there. I believe this shop is called Lock and Hatters, so if you are a hat person, then make sure you come to St. James's Street. And also, if you're from America, but not also if you're from, or not just if you're from America, but especially if you're from the state of Texas, come over here and check this out. This is something very special. You can find this just behind Berry Bros and Rudd Ltd. And there's a little plaque here, and it says Texas Legation. In this building, in this building was the legation for the ministers from the Republic of Texas to the Court of St. James, 1842 to 1845, erected by the Anglo-Texan Society. So you Texans have been here for quite some time. I certainly know that, of course, lots of states have their own identities. So some of you guys might find this interesting, and maybe this was before it became one of the United States of America. It's quite a cool little passageway as well. There should be a wire sphere just down here. I don't know if I'm in somebody's private. garden. Maybe I am. I quite like this thing. I think you call this a wire sphere. And of course there's an arrow here in the middle. Or maybe it's just perhaps a sundial of sorts. Very cool indeed. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you a shout out, especially any Texans, anybody from the US watching this video might find that interesting. However, for all your other Wonders of London needs, keep it locked with us. We'll be back here for more exploration, and we'll be back here for more videos. Peace out, take care of yourself. We'll see you soon.